prove here sin inverse of 1 by x equals to cosec inverse of x. First we have to take here cosec inverse of x equals to, we need to take here y. Proof. Let cosec inverse of x equals to y. Okay. Now after that we need to send here cosec inverse in the right side. So it will become cosec y. Okay. After that we need to do the reciprocal of this one. Reciprocal on both sides. Okay. X reciprocal is 1 by x. Cosecant y reciprocal is 1 divided by cosecant y. What is cosec reciprocal? We know that one. That is sin y equals to 1 by cosec y. Okay. So we have to write this one. Sin y. After that sin we need to take on the, again we need to take on the left side. It will become sin inverse. Sin inverse of 1 by x equals to y. What is y? Y equals to cosecant inverse x. So sin inverse of 1 by x equals to cosecant inverse of x. Here this formula is satisfied, this property is satisfied only in the condition of x is greater than equals to 1. Greater than means x should be 2, 3, 4, anything. Or x is less than or equals to minus 1, like minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like this. In this condition only this satisfies this property. Okay. Similarly you have to solve this one also. Cos inverse of 1 by x equals to secant inverse of x means secant inverse of x equals to, you need to take as y. After that x equals to secant y. Secant y reciprocal is cos inverse of y. Again you have to need to send the cos inverse right side. Cos inverse of 1 by x equals to y. Y equals to secant inverse of x. Tan inverse also you need to do same as it is. Simple. We know we move to the second property. That is the sin inverse of minus x equals to minus sin inverse of x. It's satisfied in the condition is x belongs to minus 1, close bracket minus 1 and 1. Now we will prove this one. Sin inverse of minus x equals to minus sin inverse of x. Proof. First we have to consider it as a y. Sin inverse of minus x equals to, we will consider it as a y. Let us consider sin inverse of minus x equals to y. I will send sin inverse on right side. So minus x equals to here sin y. After that x equals to, I will send minus on the left side. Otherwise change the sign. So minus sign changes to plus sign changes to minus sign. Minus sin y. After that we know the formula. What is that one? Sin of minus x equals to minus sin x. Okay. Similarly minus of sin y equals to, we can write it as sin of minus y. So minus of sin y means you can write it as sin of minus y. Now again you need to send sign on left side. Sin inverse of x equals to minus y. Then sin inverse of x equals to minus of, what is y here? Sin inverse of x. Now again change the sign here. So the minus sign, plus sign changes to minus sign here. So minus sign changes to plus sign. Change the sign. Otherwise you can do minus sign, you can send on the left side. So you'll get your result. It's satisfied only in the condition of x belongs to minus 1, close bracket minus 1 to